Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. The area of a rectangular garden which has 40 meters length is 1120 square meters. Find the width of the garden. Let's see the solution. Area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is 1120 square meters and length of the rectangle is 40 meters. Then you find the width of the garden. So we know that area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So you find the width. So width is equal to area by length. Area is given 1120 square meters by length is also given 40 meters. So here 40 cancelled in 1120 square meters in 28 times. So 28 meters is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.